Hello everyone, welcome back to the channels. In this video we're going to be talking about the discount and not the discount but more like a price reductions from Tesla and also the 7,500 tax credits. So if you're into savings, or buying things at a discounted price, a sales item, promotions, this is the right channel for you because that's what I do. And recently I've been doing quite a bit of Tesla, and I myself just bought a Tesla and lost about $13,000. Okay, and I'll tell you what happened. So here I bought a Tesla at about maybe 2 weeks ago, and all of a sudden at a regular price, and then I got a 7,500 if I were to pick it up before December, which I did. And maybe a couple days ago, Tesla decided to decrease the price dramatically. On all models, Model 3 all the way up to Model S and X itself. Here you can see over here, I've listed like the old price, the new price, and the percentage wise. And I'll be talking more about the tax credit towards the later on in the video. So let's start off with the old price for the Model 3 standard range. It was $46,990, and the new price is $43,990, which is a $3,000 change right there, about 6.4%. And it will qualify for the 7,500 tax credit if purchased before March. So in the end, with all the price reductions and all the tax credits, the Model 3 standard range comes out to be $36,490, which is extremely good price. Okay, moving on to the Model 3 Performance. Old price $62,990. The new price is $53,990. The reason being for this is because Tesla wanted to have their price reduced so they can qualify for the 7,500 tax credit. It's gonna hit their margins, but like Elon said before, he rather continue a steady, continue the momentum with selling a lot of vehicles and take a little bit of reduce a little bit of margin than not selling enough vehicles. So the new price for the Model 3 Performance is $53,990. That's like $900 less, and that's like 14%. And the fact that it's under $55,000, you also qualify for the $7,500 tax credit. So bringing it down, the Performance is only $46,490. After all, that's the saving. That's the difference of 26%. But not enough as the Model Y. So Model Y long range, $65,990. That's the one that I bought, and the new price now is $52,990. Price difference $13,000. And this one, the fact that it's under $55,000, it is still qualified for 7,500 tax credit, which will, assuming that all of the customers, you guys will be purchasing it before and picking it up, taking a little bit before March, because after March, the government will have new regulations and the IRS regarding about where the battery is made, where they put together, and the cards and all the other stuff, which we will know after March will take effect. But in the meantime, any vehicles picked up before March, and if your income qualifies, what do you mean by that? If you're a single person, you make less than $150,000 a year, you will qualify for the $7,500 tax credit. And if it's two people, then no more than $300,000. Unfortunately, for the Model Y Performance, regular price before $69.99, new price $56. The $56 off the back's already cut off will make it not qualify for the tax credit, which you see here. You won't. Okay, so if anybody out there that's looking to buy the Tesla and want to take advantage of the tax credit, you can hop onto it. And my suggestion is, if you're going to buy it, don't customize. Go to the Tesla and then click on the inventory. So and then just pick whatever they have there. They usually have quite a bit of inventories now. They also have the new version of the all-wheel drive standard range that comes with the new type of battery, 4680, coming from Texas. Okay, so if you like the new type of batteries, you know, you can get that one. I think the range is about 269 compared to the long range where it's about 330. So and just make sure you buy the vehicle, and because I think the process for me, it only took me 2 days. And if you want to make it quick and everything fast, I think so I've read some even, you know, purchased it and also picked it up like sooner than 24 hours. So it will happen, and it can happen. But just don't customize, because sometimes when you customize the vehicle, it might, if it surpasses March, then you won't qualify for the $7,500 credit, and that might be not good. Okay, so like I said, go to the inventory, the current one, and check and make purchase. And if you want it to speed it up, just use the Tesla financing stuff. I thought I was financing through Tesla, but it turns out that Tesla outsourced it to Wells Fargo. Overall, the APR was not bad at all compared to the local credit unions, which gave me like, even actually Wells Fargo gave me lower than the local. So I don't know how that happened, but it did. And so if you were to ask me like, am I happy with the car and how do I feel with the $13 reductions, you know, I'm not really happy about it, you know what I mean? Because I felt like, you know, I was tricked into buying this, you know, picking up before December, get all this stuff, and then bam, 2 weeks later the price dropped. However, I really love the car. Driving it, the car is really smart with everything about the car. I love it. So in the end, is it the end of the world? Not really. So as long as you drive the car, take advantage of it and be happy. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And if you like the videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.